Good morning. Patron saying,
oh, Nhyira.
It is me.
Nhyira, yeah, come on. Now, I quite have a view.
We are back.
The journey continues.
Sure. And they give me mention and cancer be out.
Mr. Mbambe says you. Me my analysis ya change rabozo do game me.
Adi amorimanti mi anya Carrick baya wabeyo. Carrick. Yenye ude. Aduna Fifi. Your poor game in Old Trafford.
Saturday,
no sorry. Now Fifi see council supported me. Pay that no masum. Adia morimenti mi anya
Carrick baya wabeyo.
Hey,
Carrick.
Fifi. Carrick team I was showing on Manchester from order.
Oh, be that.
They say I just said World 11.
Okay.
You say teams in the be in the best player.
Don't be shy.
I'm the Abishai. No team.
Let's say a child let's forget in the no she said.
And I forget him the team. Kofi team we the initial deal. Carrick team we.
Red card. Hey, ready.
Play game plan.
And then plan.
He was our target. You was on there or suspect to team.
Red card.
Woman in the red card in Kofono. Tomuti kill them.
Agbina.
And I thought ya. Make that choice of Kofi. Form now have fun. You thought ya my funny.
Oh, to
oh, you don't bet on proper position. Hey,
and I finish be.
Oh, never Apicki. Team Apicki. Apicki.
It's a day. There's a tough one number.
What does you now? They won't table. If you to be shut, still not
that 5 more. Or 2 time
5 1 I'm doing. We have broken the questions. Bamu Paufo. Ufu Padia. Mo Paufu Papa. Every man co pounds in Yedi Yeni. Which shall be teams I have say
4 matches at 12
points. 4 matches
at 12 points. Those when you 12 points, being on a 12 point over big man on any move. Now, do you think say drama no Indiana
Premier League no?
Yeah.
No.
Because I feel like Obi Odrin say the drama we saw on Sunday most especially, you know, it has ended no. It didn't the Premier League change.
Yeah.
Which what happened at Anfield and now has blown the league wide open, both for winning of the league and qualifying for the top 4. And yesterday, for the very first time in 89 years, Liverpool for Man City for completed something that they had not done before, beating them home and away in one season. And for me, it's not just the fact that Man City won, but the fashion in which it happened. Senior City for 1 year, Jumano. And for Liverpool themselves, how the game panned out over 90 minutes was the biggest worry for me. And you see, these two quotes are very instrumental in my analysis of the game. Bernardo Silva said the whole team knew before the game, if we lost it, then the title race was probably over. We are going to fight until the end.
We're going to say 9.
It would have been the very first time Arsenal would have been on top of the league with 9 points since 2004. So obviously it would have been a new. Oh, Arsenal for top. That would have been the very first time they've gotten 9 points gap on top of the table. So that would have been new. It's a stark difference on the right side. And as Lord says so many times this season, we haven't got what I think we deserved. And this is another game to add to that. I say, you see, that is the whole game.
You don't sit back when playing against Man City.
So who share the possession of the game and the statistics are rich. The whole game, City with 54% ball possession, Liverpool 46, XG of City 2.91, Liverpool 1.21, shot 15 to 17 to City, 4 to 7 to City, 5 to 4 to City, and of course the yellow cards that go on from there, which I think exactly like you said it. We said your starting game, no? Ne City na a dominating kakra. It took Liverpool a while to settle into the game. But between the first few minutes, no, anytime Omunya Dominico Szoboszlai game, Liverpool had come to dominate the game small. So the game became momentous. It maybe not City in control. Then Liverpool came to take over. Which the biggest problem was when this brilliant free kick from Dominico Szoboszlai, like you said, Liverpool sat back. They ceded the control to Man City. City for the kick ball on no created the better chances. No more ball near Dima Liverpool, even though they were playing at home. And I kept on asking myself, so for how long?
For how long? And I bet you are this City team.
It was great.
It is over here. I want a pepper man. Run checking mobile. Yeah,
let's control ball in the tight spaces. Nhyira, Ejuma na nye dem omo. But what a penalty from Dominico Szoboszlai.
Free kick, no?
Yeah, free kick. What a set piece ball. Which the ball striking was so clean as a whistle. And he gave Liverpool the first goal. At that point in time, for me, it should have gone on to finish up the game. But Bernardo Silva, any team a friend in Liverpool, any team a friend in Manchester City, had other plans. A very good ball from Erling Haaland. Then Bernardo Silva, Katum, Emmanuel 1-1. At that point in time, when the Erling Haaland penalty came, Liverpool kept on chasing. But this save from Gianluigi Donnarumma, what a save. The ball, it took a little bit of a deflection and a dip. Then Gianluigi stretched, making sure that Obama Man City a very, very good chance to stay in the game. They did not. Oh, saving more than a Pep Guardiola just la road all crazy. But Pep, or you troll, papa. Oh, trolling Liverpool was according you borrow. And then from there, each solid performance from all round. Again, Alisson Becker, saw penalty no course here at that point in time. Then the performance of Abrantier friend Magay. It's also the very first time Abrantier friend Erling Haaland has scored a goal at Anfield. No, she go Anfield. And it's the 23rd out of 24 game stadiums our ball honoma washe. The only stadium Erling Haaland and she go honum the Stadium of Light against Sunderland. That's the only place he has not scored. But since then, Oshe from Etihad, London Stadium, St James, Villa Park, Molineux, Ellen Road, Emirates, Vitality, Selhurst, St Mary's, Craven Cottage, Goodison, Turf Moor, Bramall Lane, Old Trafford, Stamford Bridge, City Ground, Tottenham Hotspur, American Express, King Power, Portsmouth Road, GTEC Community Stadium, Anfield yesterday, and then of course the Dickinson Stadium. He made a job.
The third goal now, referee disallowed.
Yeah.
Minimum what can you say because time in the game referee one herself of a foul.
Yeah.
So Busla coaching Haaland.
Yeah.
Because now Haaland a position and now going to be to Abobo and I trainer.
Yeah.
Then on be di Haaland and him Haaland so trainer.
Yeah.
But check it born or boy and then I got to
Yeah.
Referee coach Van the bar and also one jigo no.
Yeah.
Wama so Busla red card because Wama aye Haaland ain't man ko for born and to attract.
Yeah.
It go no ya disallow.
Yeah, so
the decision no what do you say?
So first off, referee no Gina Park na so the Ojigo.
Yeah, Ojigo, yeah.
But VAR called him to it. Rich, it may not make sense from regular footballing point of view, but Emran no. So this is what happened, like you are saying. Dominico Szoboszlai Erling Haaland and a referee no ball play on.
Okay.
Who said that City were advantage more so he played it on. And again, Haaland did not fall down there. But immediately, Dominico Szoboszlai he got the advantage. And overtaking Erling Haaland.
And Haaland so chain.
And Haaland so chain. But at that point in time, the ball. So this was the first foul that he allowed to play on. Then the ball went on. When it went on, the goal scores back. Also a foul. So he has given goal because okay, my chef first one may okay with it, your advantage. Also a foul. But when so a second foul of Haaland edges was line. Look at it and say, what play on the first one there? You should look at this.
Okay.
So he goes to the monitor and look at this. Okay, Haaland so edging. Then how do you balance the situation? Common sense. Okay, then the goal should not stand. Dominico Szoboszlai gets punished for the first foul because no a last man. He gets the red card. Then the goal gets chalked off. A lot of disagreement will come, but those are the rules on the night. Rich, this is what it looks like in the quest for the title. And then, Madame Fupa or Arsenal, John Mensah Square. Now he's telling me say, oh no, or per se, City for chase Arsenal, until it becomes mathematically impossible. Now City for feeling how it pains, how it feels. So Arsenal for chasing you, they be no with me league. Sabi no person the Pep. On person be 10 points, 7 points. There be keep on chasing 6.5, sir. But these are the games that are yet to be played. Social matches we are, which a lot of things can happen. Nyema be brave in the matches. Which Michael Carrick made it 4 out of 4. And honestly speaking, from the beginning of the game, you could tell, say, Michael Carrick had a plan to hurt team and friend Tottenham Hotspur. And there's one thing that I need to first point out. Say, me assure say by now, when we a lot of short videos at United team, no, throw inside all them, then they will switch play. It was the key tactic in the game in beating team and friend Tottenham Hotspur. The constant overloading of one side of the pitch and then isolating for United to attack. It was very clear, and this is one part of it. In the lead up to the second goal for one, there was a very, very good overloading of this side to isolate our branch friend Amad Diallo, which is very, very important in that game. Christian Romero, a fine centre back, but this is why sometimes a lot of things have not gone to him. This is where in the second red card, and you see any 3 matches ban, 4 matches ban, which because of the current form of Manchester United, the English Premier League top 4 will be more difficult than it used to be, than you'd have thought. And can you Ruben Amorim and Manchester United? I wouldn't have been worried at all for Chelsea and even for Liverpool. But because of Michael Carrick doing the simple things, profiling the players all, and the results that he's getting, and it makes the top 4 and the place for Champions League very difficult. Right? Put him advantage back where United kita. United Embo FA Cup, Ombo Champions League, Ombo EFL Cup. On week be over 26 days, we come 1 match per. So they'll work a lot on the training grounds and come and play. Whilst teams like Liverpool, Chelsea, and Aston Villa and Man City will be playing a lot of European competitions in between, whilst playing local competitions also as well. Which we have to give credit to Bruno Fernandes. He is a complete legend. I just do not agree with United fans who says that he is Premier League top 3 greatest midfielder ever. Or no, oh, say
me catch you say Saturday some catch you. Say Abraham on groove more. Now they also on number 10 rule, no, the Jan on number 10. Now you Casemiro and the Kobe man is sitting deep. So I'm on tackling work now.
But still, he is not. For me, he is not Premier League top 3 in the history of the game.
I know there was.
Send you make any massive. And we think
he's the best player.
No problem. Yes, massive. And we think I'm going to be coming here because I don't think so. Bruno Fernandes the best player in the history of the even in Manchester United, he comes after a lot of people, but of course he's a legend of the club, and that's take it from him. Which Arsenal today fee and 3 goals to 0. I told you, it will not happen at the Emirates. You can be Sunderland at the Stadium of Light, but not at the Emirates when they have to win. And which say when who maybe Sir Victor Gyökeres, the best days as Arsenal centre forward has come when Arsenal are quick to release the balls. When he's playing with Eberechi as the Mone Kai Havertz, it's quick for our bench friend Victor Gyökeres to be able to get a job done. And I told you before the game, say Arsenal have gone 44 games unbeaten against teams that are newly promoted. And it was a record that was held by Chelsea with 43. And now Arsenal set a new record in terms of newly promoted sides. And they got a job done. In 2026, yes, Victor Gyökeres is not getting goals, but he has gotten 6 of it this season in terms of the number of goals with our better friend Ego Jesus, and of course Arsenal on top of the English Premier League, 6 points. Which do you think, say, Mikel Arteta will be worried about, say, Antinyanko 9 points now? For me, I think as we were, Adjo Bro, BBNC, let's continue again. We were not lucky for them to be able to lose against Liverpool, but then we continue again. Which, who is watching our matches all? Ochama United, Mobo West Ham, away at the London Olympic Stadium.
Problem.
Chelsea at Nefi against Leeds United. Which, you remember when Liam Senior took over Chelsea's job? Mekacho said he is looking for low-hanging fruit, and I've used that word for a very long time. Say, as a Oba Chelsea team, he has realized that the big problem for the team is psychological. Almost psychological fruit is kakra. As in the face of adversities, they're not able to stand up better and then face them. They have issues in that regard. which I think that's been the biggest change that Liam Rossini has done at Chelsea. Yes, Michael Carrick has played tougher games, but Liam Rossini has also had 4 out of 4. And for him, that is huge. Who shared the conversation of data? Chelsea says the highest XG. As at the time of the game on Saturday, with 43.7 XG. It was a game no more. It was against team my friend Wolverhampton Wanderers. And for me, there are a couple of things that I realized from the game. One, Adia Bakwana Edding Emma Enzo Maresca was to break down the low blocks. And that is not to take anything away from Enzo Maresca. Maresca is a more structured or strict positional play. But away from the psychological bit that Liam Rossini has given the Chelsea team, he has also been able to give them the ability to have a lot of rotations tactically. And so we share the annotation on the field of player. Almost every zone. Although now we was playing with a 5-back compact front, every time Chelsea had an extra man. In the first phase of ball progression, Robert Sanchez Meccano Mania 3-2. Then in the middle, Chelsea you have a 4. I think that's rich. Liam Rossini's using of Abrante friend Andre Santos will probably be the key game changer for Chelsea this season. Because Andre Santos has played under him before. So Andre knows exactly how Liam Rossini wants to play. And that also gives Chelsea 3 midfielders. In the Chelsea team now, they played with Andre Santos in the middle with Caicedo. And Obo Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez as a left winger on paper. Then without the ball, Enzo Fernandez now came into the left half space. Then Andre Santos sat with Abrante friend Moises Caicedo. That led to 3 goals. Cole Palmer's first half hat-trick. Obia Watson Nhyira gave me bimbo because of injuries. This was good confidence booster for Abrante friend Cole Palmer. But again, the Wolves game doesn't matter. The most important game for me between Chelsea and Manchester United now China. When United go away to the London Olympic Stadium and Chelsea stay at home to play against Leeds United, Leeds share Chelsea in the first leg at Ellen Road. They need to respond. If they do, they give themselves a huge push because Manchester United are tough. We said it that at home, Barca will do the job against Mallorca, and they did. But the key points I want to speak about are Bantewe, which I've been telling you, Lamine is speaking at the right time. The only thing, Marseille versus Paris Saint-Germain, which now the second goal for Paris Saint-Germain, Ousmane Dembele ball. Which nobody should try to gaslight us into saying that Dembele did not deserve the Ballon d'Or. Inside, outside, with his weaker foot now, on ball, first ball.
And he was the man of the match.
I'm telling you, not bonus. So looking at say Roberto Di Zerbi Casa Sana or no Obama say because of the social Paris Saint-Germain. Obeshe Paris Saint-Germain.
How?
We walloped them 5 goals to 0. Look at Kvaratskhelia's goal. And it was total control from team my friend of Paris Saint-Germain. When I looked at that and I look at Lamine Yamal and the kind of comparison about I don't know. Are we going to get to the point of the season where Abia Kupama injuries never caught? No, I started goals. Maybe Estavao, Apicki, then Lamine Yamal. Then we start. Who's the webinar comparison now? Kupama, Lamine. Yes. Maybe we'll get that because someone say prepara home and then they are coming back. Mark Bana was also solid now. And then Juan Laporta has resigned from his job as Barcelona president because he needs to give way to Rafa Hughes to conduct the elections for them. I think that he's going to win. Maybe they have the powers. There is no need for them to stretch anything. Omoma Juan Laporta and trust because of the job that he has done. Mbappe on a 6-goal scoring streak was Spanish La Liga. And the Mestalla against Valencia. It took the player that scored in the very first game, Abrante friend Alvaro Carreras, to open up the scoring, and then Mbappe in the dying embers of the game to make it 2 goals to 0. Solid. Now, after the game, Dani Carvajal was not happy. Who's on the bench? Now, Trent Alexander also a bench. But then, O'Shea, Abrante friend of Arbeloa, he played a player from the La Fabrica, Abrante friend Jimenez, and the ball right back on him. So the 2 senior right backs on the bench, they did not play. But I'll say, Alfredo Mofi Njimba, he doesn't want to stretch them too much. Madrid, at the end of the day, got a job done. 3 goals, 2 goals, and what it means is that in the 4 games Alvaro Arbeloa in the Spanish La Liga, he has won all of them. Which the very first game of Mbappe without Vini, Rodrigo, and my brother friend Jude Bellingham, he managed to get a job done. So we'll see how it's going to go. Midweek will be a lot of games. Barca bought the first leg with Atletico de Madrid in the Copa del Rey at the Wanda. Atletico be share Okoshe Real Betis in the Copa del Rey Bebrino. Real Betis by the few share 1-0. I mean, it tells you there's going to be another one.
Okay, I said Saturday night, like.
Yeah, I think he mentions this. One team up and down the same week.
In the space of 1 week.
Yeah, and a little bit tricky. So but Rich, Atletico Madrid. Me, I don't understand. Beats them again, but they were not able to do that. It's Rich. Now Saturday, no, uncle for any discount. See how they.
It's so green.
I say, oh, yeah, boys no so green, sir. I say, my boys in discuss are.
Say yeah.
After baby Anna.
Yeah, so never our boys in the.
Yes, and I so funky can one count.
Debbie. Is it a coffee?
We clean.
Marita.
Martin. Today, and then mom can crave no munko fikesi more.
Okay.
Send them top here because China big games are on, but let's just give them a few. For today, mom me and Sape. Rich first one a BW3 A9 C181D. Second one a BW3 A9 C032C. And the last one a BW3 A9 BF451. Rich, around to greens and go so my son.
Amen. Yame and to green and good in also and Famobia Obetrabi. Oblita Komi. As Richardo, I think Manchester United need to extend the contract of Casemiro for at least 1 year. Always remember that Manchester United is the greatest club on the earth and some part of heaven, and I love that. Manchester and yes, so big team.